summer outfits and way too much food. Welcome to my chaotic summer. I'm Yuhee outfits, snacks, and tiny workouts. Look 1, casual morning, comfy and cute. Look 2, date-ish soft pink vibes. Look 3, street snack run easy and practical. Look 4, gym to cafe sporty but still cozy. Tiny workouts 3 moves, 0 drama. Fun fact, most of my summer is actually tasting snacks. Also, I used to be way fatter than I am
In the
now.
past, I was like this.
True story.
But now, I'm like this.
If you like cozy looks and messy snack tests, follow for more. Full intro and weekly shorts in my bio.